I remember mother asked her to keep an eye on me while she was doing something in the kitchen. I think I was told I was still a toddler by the time, and I was malikot. So I climbed up on a thing, on a chair or something, and I fell down, and there was this big bang, and I cried. And you know what, Mom was, when she walked in, she saw Ate Daling and our cousin Madre Tita making some makeup. Alam mo, putting lipstick on her face. So she just neglected about me. Anyway, thank you for taking good care of me. And on my first day of school, or first grade, she was the one who took me to school. And I can still remember the teacher was giving us instruction. Okay, babalik kayo bukas at 8 o'clock, something like you'll be coming back tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And then because I was looking out in the, out of the door, looking for her, the teacher pointed at me, what did I just say? I say, babalik po kami sa Lunes. So, anyway, I really looked up to her, as is my everything I could say. And when we were already in high school, I can remember that she has 3 close friends. And if I remember their names, Emma, Elena, and Josephine. So they formed this, what they call a gang. At the time, gang was not, it doesn't have a negative connotation. It's just like a buddy system. You say gang mates, So they called it 4-1. And 4-1 meaning the 4 of them, there is always one different from the rest of them. And I found out that one time when they were staying in our house, they had some kind of votation, and I was assigned like a canvasser, moderator or something like that. And they had some criteria, and the criteria were like, who is the most beautiful among them, So they took some kind of votation balloting system. And when I counted, 3 of them voted for Adelaida Santos Navarro, the most beautiful among them. Another criteria they used was who's the most intelligent among the 4. So they took another votation, and when I counted the votation, the most intelligent is again Daling. She got 3 votes. Another criteria they used, who has the ugliest name. So, you can just tell they didn't like Adelaida. She was voted the most, having the most ugly name. So, I remember when, after our father died, I remember I was only 11. Ate Daling was the one who actually was the second hand in command in operating our saris. They call it sari store, meaning general merchandise. In the sense that for all of you who doesn't know sari, it's just like a 7-Eleven. We have some food to eat. We had all kinds, hardware, etc., and so forth. And Ate Daling was so vibrant. She's so active, she's so masipag, industrious. And she was doing the purchasing, for the store, because she has a lot of charisma with the suppliers, and she gets a lot of discount. So I really respected her, talent for being a good purchasing agent for the store. And Nan, I really, was very thankful for having Ate Daling, the second hand in command, to run the store. And that store, for your information, all took us to college. And when she was in high school, she had a lot of, suitors. And being the baby brother, I always watch, for her, making sure that she's okay. And when she went to college, University of the East, she passed, when I look at her, what you call grading, what do you call that? Transcript of records, she had flying A's.
Oh, no.
And she finished the bachelor in business administration, major in accounting, right? But, I forgot to tell you, she was also my mentor because when I was growing up, she checked all my homework. She's a great mathematician, for all you know. Without her, I would not be a CPA at this point because I learned all my mathematics shortcuts from her. She's really good in mathematics. So thank you again for being a great mathematician. I won't be what I am right now if not for you, sis. Thank you so much. And one, maybe not negative, but we also quarrel, and we always argue, especially lately whenever she's so depressed, and I wanted her to be like a fighter because I said, you've got to fight this cancer, just like what the rest of our, beloved did. But she would not agree with me. She's always depressed, and she said, you don't visit me, not that I'm nearing death. I said, you're not dying, you're masamandamo, You will live for another maybe 20 years. But again, although we don't argue so many things, we all love you and we want you to be happy. I love you. Happy birthday, my dear sister. That was a long opening remark. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Romy. I believe the food is ready. So, bon appetit. Okay, we're gonna start with the head table. Oh, you want? Yes, bon appetit. Yes. Okay, we're gonna start with the head table, and then I'll call the yeah, that's right. Then we'll go by. We don't have a number. Well, we have this table. Yeah.
Kasi spinach, kasi may equalize. Ganun ba? Ang equalize.
Bawal ba ito?
Ano ko na siya ng pansin. Tapos babalik na kung gusto niya pa.
Okay.
You guys go ahead. Next.
teacher. I make killer cassava. Happy birthday, Mama Jang. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hey, Mama Jaleng, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Mama Jang. Lalaki ka, Kaleng.